What's your age?
25.
Nationality?
Mexico.
If I wanted to take you on a first date, would Cheesecake Factory work?
Yeah. I mean, I don't see why not.
The man is supposed to cater to you. I mean, you're courting me, so court me. That means wherever I want to go, you take me.
How much does a wedding ring have to cost?
Baby, it could be $50. It really doesn't matter. I just want to be in love. I want to be genuine. I want a happy, healthy marriage. So
this video shows the kind of woman to date and the kind of woman not to date. I find it crazy that in these times some women expects a man to do everything for them, and the man gains so little. Some of these women have been brainwashed and they don't even realize it. Fellas, if you truly want to find somebody to be with, I advise you to take the time to get to know them, or else your life will be hell.
How much does a wedding ring have to cost?
Baby, it could be $50. It really doesn't matter. I just want to be in love. I want to be genuine. I want a happy, healthy marriage. So the ring, I mean, what the cost of the ring, it really doesn't mean anything because it's not like I'm going to go sell it. But the ring is just a symbol of my commitment to my man. So however much he can really afford, whatever he feels like he wants to give me, I think that's better than, listen, these have 3 kids but no marriage. So I'd rather the ring and my man than the cost of it. That don't matter to me.
So like he could give you a ring pop and you would...
Baby, take me to the courthouse with that ring pop. Thank you. Hello.
I don't know if this is authentic, but if it is, round of applause for this woman. What these women fail to understand is that having a $200K ring on your finger doesn't mean anything if you're not committed to your man. Some of these women just want the ring to show off to others anyway. Marriage is supposed to be sacred, beautiful. It has nothing to do with how much is on your finger. It's about building a family. The ring is a sign of loyalty and commitment for your man.
My name is Jubilee. I am 25 and I do have OnlyFans.
How long you been doing that?
Just about like 2 months.
What got you into it?
I lost my grandpa. He's very close to me. I kind of want to go with his legacy and I kind of want to do it for him.
Wait a minute!
You want to do OnlyFans to honor your grandfather's legacy?
More
Was he like a porn star or something?
No, it's kind of like I've been wanting to kind of like keep his legacy going.
I don't know if I just misheard you. You said that you are...
Yeah, can you
say it again?
Can you explain how you're honoring your grandfather's legacy?
He was a minister, so he didn't make much money. That's like a way that I thought would help out.
Huh? I don't think selling your soul online is continuing your grandfather's legacy. I see this as disrespecting him if you truly was doing this for him. I'm pretty sure he would want better for you than you flashing yourself all over the internet. That is not the way.
I'm not understanding why everybody making a big deal. Y'all told us if we don't want the kids, bring them to the fire station. I don't want the kid. Yes, it's been 3 days, but the baby don't look like my boyfriend. That's not his child. You think I'm finna get broken up with to let him know that this child is not his? No, ma'am. I love the baby. I do, but why y'all, everybody, like, I don't get what's going on. The baby is, it look Asian. The daddy is Chinese. My boyfriend is black. You get what I'm saying? No, I wasn't finna leave my man for that. So the baby had to come here. Are we good? Yes, ma'am. Let's start the interview. Should I cry? Like, should I act sad or something? To act like I care, like to give it emphasis, to make it look like I'm sad or something. Should I act like I care when it start? Come on. I really love my baby. What you mean it's live? Well, I'm here now, and I'm honestly...
This woman is pure evil. This is what not taking responsibility for your actions looks like. You brought a child into this world because you was indulging in pleasure. Also, you got pregnant by another dude. Even though you got a boyfriend, she was even willing to act like she was sad knowing she left a baby by the station. From what I can see and hear, there's no love in this woman's heart. Also, she thought the camera wasn't rolling this whole time. The face she made when she realized it was on this whole time is priceless.
Most women that say they want a good man, if you bring her one right now, she probably gonna fuck it up. Them saying that they're single by choice is because they've been unsuccessful in finding one.
The man is supposed to cater to you. I mean, you're courting me, so court me. That means wherever I want to go, you take me.
Absolutely.
Whatever I want, you buy me. That's courting. You know, I'm looking for a provider.
In the video, now of course I'm sure you think of it differently now, but in the video you basically told him that, you know, you're not going in there, you know your value. It would be embarrassing for you to go inside a Cheesecake Factory.
Look at me. I cannot go in the Cheesecake Factory.
There's nothing.
I will die. That's embarrassing. embarrassing.
Then maybe we're not ready in a relationship for such a nice, fancy restaurant as Aria. Especially if I'm paying for the whole thing. Maybe we're not right for each other. But respectfully, I'm gonna just drop you off at home.
I'm proud of this guy. Would have been even more proud if he just kicked her out of the car. Her attitude, behavior, was just disgusting. She kept saying, "Look at me," but she's a 6 at best. I am so glad this man valued himself enough to turn this ungrateful woman down.
A lot of people like Cheesecake Factory.
Oh.
Now, so when I see that video, I'm thinking, okay, she must have some friends who probably would disagree with her going inside the Cheesecake Factory. Your peer group. So peer pressure probably keeps you from.
Never lived that. Oh my God! I would have never lived that down.
Wow! Just date the Cheesecake Factory. They wouldn't let you live that down.
No, I have an image to protect.
This is a woman who is looking for a provider, by the way. What image is she protecting exactly? From what? From who? I am actually happy for this guy. He caught the real her this early on before they started dating for real. He would have most definitely suffered even more with this woman.
It does not do that. That was, that was my circle, though. That's how,
you expect men to go all out on a date, huh? Mm-hmm. You said absolutely. If he likes her, he should present that, right?
Yes.
He should lead and be masculine. He should be willing to pay for the meal, show up on time, open doors for her, the whole nine. But when he asked you, what is a woman expected to do? You said, look good, be there. And that's where the, right?
Disconnect was. Yeah.
Absolutely. Wow.
It does not do that. That was, that was my circle, though. That's how,
you expect men to go all out on a date, huh?
Mm-hmm. This is the Cheesecake Factory. This is the Cheesecake Factory, y'all.
What's the problem with that?
This is a chain restaurant. Who takes someone that looks like this to a chain restaurant?
You want to talk about it? I'm fine with talking about it, even in front of that.
Ma'am, you're a 6.